girl came out and back with your cutie pies with another recreate. In this recreate, I'm making another Beyonce. I know you guys like, girl, you know Beyonce. She got bomb clothes though, and I like to have them in my closet. So yeah, I'm going to recreate Beyonce's fur outfit that she did on Instagram, which you're gonna see the image right here, or maybe right there, or maybe somewhere in this video. Which I thought was so cute because I like fur and I like fur coats. So why not do just that? And I really like the outfit. I like how she had like elegant, businessy, but also like a little bit like classy, but little everything. So like, I'm definitely gonna recreate that. So before we get into the video, I want you guys to go ahead and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also don't forget to hit the little bell to know if I post a video. And let's get into this video, which I'm so excited. Today I am going to try to make this kind of jacket, but I really don't like the top part, so I might not do the collar and just hem the jacket. I don't know, but it is the type of jacket that I want. Hold on, wait a second. Wait for me to stop screaming. Okay, so the type of jacket is like a, I can't pronounce it right. Is this type of jacket a Bolero? But it's actually a shrug jacket in English, which is, that's why I'm trying to make, which I did not know I had a pattern. So I was looking for theory in there, like, how do I make this pattern? Like, but I already had a pattern ready in my closet. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the jacket C, because I like the jacket. And it's short, like I want it, and also will have long sleeves, so I can make it like thicker or smaller, whatever I want. So yeah, I'm gonna need to use these two for the front, the back. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm gonna use the sleeve 6, and then I'm gonna have to use. I'm not gonna need the cufflinks, so I'm gonna do pattern C, which I need the front, the back, the sleeve, and I just have to take the collar off, and then I'll be finished. So hey, I need to cut all this pattern out. So see you guys in a bit after I finish cutting. Cuties, here's the patterns all cut out. You have 7, 6, 5, and 4. Here's a quick transition of the patterns onto the fabric, and now we're going to cut these out. Make sure you also pin them so you don't make sure they don't shift when you're cutting them. Now here's all the patterns cut out. I make sure I have 2 of the 4s, one of the back patterns for the back, and then a pattern for the inner lining for both the sleeves and the back and the front. Okay, cuties, now we're going ahead and lay all of our print patterns all out.
From the gate, you could taste, you can't have it. Then I considered your feelings and then walk out on you. But I'm a tiptoe right up at your bedroom. Oh, baby, now what's without an attitude? Put a smile on. Honesty is good for you. You really bugging. You mad for nothing. I told you.
We're gonna go ahead and pin them together. We're gonna pin the front together, and then we're gonna pin the arms closed separately, cause so we can go ahead and like make the arms strap, make the sleeves by themselves, and then we're gonna go ahead and pin it, and then we'll be right back for the sewing. Okay, kids, now we're gonna go ahead and take our 2 pattern pieces, and we'll go ahead and sew. Make sure you do the same steps that you're gonna do for the solid pieces with the lining, because that's simple, easy. And plus, I kind of forgot to edit that part in, or a lot. Well, no, I lost the footage. So yeah, make sure you do the same thing with the pattern piece. Okay, now cuties, we're gonna go ahead and pin the sleeves to the shirt, because since we did both sides of the shirt, now we'll go ahead and pin the armholes for the sleeves, the sleeves to the armholes, and then we'll go ahead and do that. And I'm going to show you guys how to, after this one, I'm going to show you how to do the hemline for the sleeves.
From the gate that I wasn't trying to be pulled up. Oh no, boy, I told you from the gate that I wasn't trying to be.
Okay, kids, I wanted to show you guys the parts of me sewing the sleeve, so you at least know what I'm talking about with the easy stitch, to help it like readjust it and like be able to sew it. But I kind of lost the footage for that, so I couldn't really show you that. But just use your imagination, where you just pull one side of the string, and then it'll start raveling the fabric up, and then you can be able to pin and sew the sleeves together much easier than putting it all together and pinning it, and then you have to fold some excess pieces. So yeah, that's what I want to show you guys, but I lost the footage of it. I would like to say the sewing part of this, or creating this part of the jacket, was super easy. Like making the cutout patterns, that's super easy on its own. Making the sewing it all together, that's easy. But reading the instructions, I would highly recommend you, if you got tolerance for reading things or tolerance for following rules, this is good for you to do. But if you want to just go ahead and quickly do this and like do the outfit, I would definitely just recommend not doing the patterns. Well, you can do the patterns part, but don't read the instructions. For me, I read the instructions and I just ended up following the guidelines of the outfit to put it together, which was easy. But this outfit was definitely the easiest sewing skills or sewing techniques for me that I ever did for any kind of sewing project. But the only part was the reading instructions, and I am one for following the rules, but for now I was like, I am following the rules halfway, and I'm just gonna do the rest of the way because I have no tolerance for anything that's gonna take me a while. Comment down below, cuties, if you guys ever created patterns, or have you ever did projects with patterns and you had to follow instructions. If you follow the instructions, or do you just follow the guidelines of the patterns? Because for me, I'm looking forward to following the guidelines of the patterns. So comment down below and let's chat about it. Okay, kitties, here's the next step we're gonna do. It's gonna be with the lining. If you guys did not follow my instructions before, where you have to sew the lining all the way, like the same way you did the pattern for the inside. Not inside. For the pattern part, now you have the same thing for the lining. Now you're gonna take your lining, you're gonna flip it both good sides facing each other for the front. You're gonna sew the top part, at least the collar lining, and once you finish doing that, then you're gonna come back. You're gonna flip it for both wrong sides facing, and make sure the armholes are inside the other armholes of the pattern. And once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and take your time and like hem the whole seam. Like for me, I folded at least 1 inch of a quarter away, and I end up sewing, and then you're gonna pin it, and then you're gonna sew it, which I don't have the video for the sewing, but here is the finished final look. And bada bing, bada boom, you have yourself a shrug fur jacket. It looks so cute, cuties. And like, I am so proud of myself. Each day I'm growing, I am maturing, I am learning new things, I am understanding of creating and repurposing items every day. So I am so proud of myself with this jacket. Like, super easy to make and fun to wear. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the final finished look. That's this video, cuties. I hope you guys enjoyed this outfit of this shrug jacket that's inspired by Beyonce. It looks so cute. Like the way that I put the outfit together looks banging. So if you guys like this video, make sure you comment down below. Don't forget to hit the little bell to be notified if I post a video. And also like this video if you guys have enjoyed my recreates. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vid. Bye, cuties. Cutie out.